So I hope you enjoy the salad, and I can't remember what else I was gonna say, but that was really a good description. Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and this week I have a blue cheese stuffed pear salad for you. It's got a real kick to it and a real zing. So let's start with the dressing. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons white wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 3 tablespoons chili sauce, 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon ground mustard, and a dash of Tabasco. Whisk this together really well. Chop up a large bunch of lettuce. Toss it into your dressing and add salt and fresh ground pepper to your taste. Divide the greens between 4 salad plates. Now for the fun part. Next, we're going to core and stuff 2 pears with blue cheese and just a touch of Tabasco. When the pears are stuffed and peeled, brush lemon juice over them so they don't turn brown. These pears make a great presentation. For a more thorough demonstration, check out last week's video on how exactly we did this. When people slice into these little guys, it's a total surprise to find them stuffed with blue cheese. This is a really great salad. It's tangy and sweet. It's got a lot of heat, which gives it a nice kick, but not the kind of rip your face off kind of heat. Thanks for hanging out with me here at Lakeside Table today. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and if you do, please like this video, subscribe, and until next week, go have fun in your kitchen. Oh, and by the way, if you like to put any kind of fruit in your salad, leave a comment in the section below and let me know what it is. I'd love to know what you like to do. Thanks again, guys. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.